everyone, and welcome to the Weekly Stitch. I'm Amy Nicole, and I'm coming to you from sunny and warm South Texas. Thank you so much for joining me here in the studio today. I don't think I did one of these videos for you last week, so very excited to be back to doing that. And my first thing to catch you up on is just so exciting. I'm like jumping out of my chair about it. I made shoes! Ah! I made shoes! How cool! For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you will know that this past weekend I went to the Art of Shoes in Austin and I took a sandal making class. This class I got for my gift certificate for my birthday that I asked for from my dad. They're a little dirty on the bottom because I've already been wearing them because I was so dang excited about them. The class I took is called the Refined Sandal Making class. So it's just a basic sandal. You get to choose your leather options, and I don't know how well you can see, but I did like a crinkled rose gold sort of leather for the upper and then a more neutral for the lower, and I love how like nice it looks with the sole, and when I wear them it's so cute. And it was super easy and so much fun. Selena, who runs the shop, is very sweet and knowledgeable. She has more classes coming up. She said she's currently sourcing materials to do a clogs class, which I'm very, very interested in. So I would love to take that if she ever gets that going. So I made shoes. I feel like this is like the final frontier of making your own shit, is making shoes. And I did it. And it's just sandals, but it's Texas, so we wear sandals a lot. So it's awesome. She's also planning putting together kits to sell because this style is pretty basic. You don't need a lot of crazy tools to do it. So she will be selling kits for these. So be sure to follow at The Art of Shoes Austin on Instagram to be looking out whenever she gets the kits for these in. Next up, moving on, I have a little fabric haul to show you. Now, I know many of you will remember at the beginning of the year for my year of slow sewing. This girl just does not want to sit still. For my year of slow sewing, I'm only sewing from my stash this year, but I did allow myself a couple not excuses, what's the word? Exceptions, a couple exceptions. So I was allowed to buy fabric for my swimsuit, and I was also allowed to buy fabric for samples for my new patterns because I didn't want to limit myself on what I had in my stash for that, because I wanted to make sure that the fabric is appropriate for the garment, and I like to sew my samples. I like for them to sort of fit in the color story of my brand. So I bought some fabric. This is a beautiful viscose linen noir from Blackbird Fabrics, of course. The color I got, I believe, is called Cherry Blossom. It is so soft. It just drapes beautifully. It washed beautifully. I love this color, which you might be wondering, Amy, that is pink, and you do not like pink. This is correct. Also, you might notice these are a little bit pink. What's going on here? I am opening up to pink. I gotta say, I don't hate pink anymore. I don't know if it's just I'm getting older and my preferences are changing. I don't love all shades of pink, I will say. I don't love like bright neon pink and that kind of stuff. But this sort of blush, dusty rose, mauvish color, that's very in right now, and the rose gold, I am all about it. So I cannot wait to sew with this fabric. Probably not anytime soon, but I just wanted to show you guys because it's beautiful and it comes in different colors, and it's a great alternative to this raw silk noir, which can be a little bit pricey. So super excited about that, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make with it because that would be ruining the new pattern secret. So just wanted to show you the fabric. Next up, I finished. Did I finish this? Yes, I put a hook in it and everything. I finished this top to match my gingham skirt that I showed you guys last week. Look at the fringe. It is so cute. I am super excited about it. Would you two sit down and just chill out? Y'all are making me insane. They need to go outside, and I was trying to film this video real quick before I took them, so that's what's going on. I don't have the skirt to show you because it's in the wash, because I wore it this weekend because I was really excited about it. Which is kind of breaking rules for me because I try not to wear things until I photographed them, lest I mess them up because I'm a messy person, but I was just too excited. So how cute are they going to be together? It is going to be this whole like gingham fringy set, and I cannot also wait to wear this separately on its own. This is that Isabella tank pattern from So Loft / Spit Up and Stilettos. That's free. All of their patterns are free, so I will link that below if I can find that link again. It's in a past video of mine, but I'm obsessed with this top. The shape, the cut of this tank, I just love it. So I'm very excited. Look at the fringe. So cute. So newly finished, haven't worn it yet. Need to photograph. I have a good stack of things that need to be photographed now, so maybe I will get to that. Definitely not this week. We have so much going on this week. Maybe next week. One of the reasons I can't do that this week is because I am hemming about 20 band uniforms for the local high school band. So if you were in band, you may remember wearing something like this. It's like overalls with a zipper down the front, and they're all getting a hem. It's a little tricky is not the right word. It's a little tedious because I can't cut any of the extra fabric out, so I have to hem it and then tack the extra fabric up because I need to be able to use it year after year. But I'm pretty excited about this gig. Hopefully it goes well, and they asked me to do it next year also. Very fun, very cool, easy, just like hem after hem, all black, just one thread color, just knock them all out all together at once. So that is something that's going on in the studio this week. I'm hard at work on my new pattern. I am hoping to finish up the tiling this week, the layout of the pattern on the file for you guys to print, and then I will move on to the instructions. It was my goal to finish the instructions by the end of September. This is the last week of September, and I've barely started, so that's not going to happen. I'm still hoping to test in October, so what I'm hoping is that I'll finish the instructions by the first week of October, and then, which is a big goal, and then be able to start testing for the last 3 weeks of October. Lots of moving parts. My goal is to release the extension of the Patty Pocket skirt, the new size range, on its anniversary, which is November 14th, and I'm hoping to release the new pattern on the same day. we will see if that happens. Just because I don't want to, like, I feel like once you get too far into the holidays, it's just not a good time to be releasing new things. So that is my goal with that. And that is my quick catch up of everything that's going on in the studio this week. I'm going to take some better pictures of these to post on my Instagram. And my weekly crush this week, I have a new lip color for you. It is what I'm wearing, and I'm obsessed with it. It is called, the brand is called Sunny's Face. They are an Indonesian brand, beauty brand, and this is their lip dip. It's like a stain, but it's matte and it's soft. So a lot of matte stains, especially matte ones, can leave your lips feeling really dry and really like sticky, and you have to wear a lip gloss over them. This does not do that, and it has this beautiful kind of like almost blurred look, and as you wear it, it just fades away. It doesn't crust up, and when you put it on, it just feels really soft on your lips and not dry. I love it. This color is Obsessed. It's the strawberry red, and I plan on getting a couple more colors. I just wanted to test this out first before I went crazy. Sunny's Face, I will put all the links below. Definitely, if you're a lipstick person, check out this brand. One more thing before I go. I will not be posting any outfit me-made blog posts or videos for the next few weeks. I used to try to do that once a week, but I'm really trying to focus all of my energy on getting this new pattern out for you guys. So I am giving myself permission to put the blogging aside so I can focus on doing that. So you won't see, I'll still be posting on Instagram every day most likely. You just won't see any of those, any new makes from me. So I'll be catching up and refreshing on some old makes and some things that I haven't taken pictures of yet. So thank you guys for giving me the permission to step back so I can focus on that new pattern. I'm excited about it. I know you guys are excited about it. You'll especially be excited about it when you see it. Very, very exciting. So thank you so much for joining me this week in the studio. I will still be putting out these videos of what's going on in the studio this week, so I won't be totally ghosting you guys. I hope everyone's having a great week. Happy sewing. Let me know in the comments below. Maybe you want to take a guess at what my next pattern is going to be. Let me know what you think about my shoes. Have you ever made shoes? I want to hear about it. And yeah, that is everything that's going on in the studio this week. Thank you so much for joining me for the weekly stitch. And as always, happy sewing. Bye. Lay down. Lay down on my lap and be good. No, don't eat the microphone. Come on, lay down. Be still. Be still. Is that not an option? Okay. Nope, stay here. I didn't mean okay like that. Lay down. Good girl.